The process of signing documents is quick and easy with Docusign. First, open the link to the document in your email. If prompted, you should read the Electronic Records and Signatures disclosure, then put a check in the box that you consent. Next, click the big button to get started. Review the document by scrolling or using the Next button between pages. The yellow fields are where you interact with the document, perhaps initialing, providing information, or signing, depending on the label. If you don't already have a Docusign account, you will confirm your name and initials, then choose the style of your signature from the different options or draw it in yourself. Hit Adopt and Sign. Once you have completed all of the required fields, a Finish button will appear. Click it to indicate you agree, and you're done. Sign up for a free Docusign account to access your signed accounts or create your own documents for signing. That's it. You've just signed with Docusign.